Hello and welcome. My name is Robin and this is my channel. If you're new, thank you so much for stopping by. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, tap the bell button so that you get notified of my future video, and a thumbs up if you like it. And if you're returning, thank you so much. You know how much I appreciate your loyalty to my channel. And with that being said, Boxycharm Premium. You know, I just signed up in March again after being not with Boxycharm for over a year because I just had too much makeup and skincare and I wasn't using it. But after seeing what Boxycharm is doing and the great brands that they're coming back with, I thought I'd give it a try for a few more months. And I did a base box, and now I'm doing my premium box. And the base box, it was awesome. I love using the products that I got. I will be doing a giveaway with the products I didn't want to use, and a combination of any products I don't want to use in this box. So let's see what I got. Hope you're all doing great. And if any of you got the Boxycharm Premium, let me know what products you got and what you're using. And this was the Be My Galentines, so I'm a little late because I just got my boxes a few days ago. And I don't know what's going on because some boxes I'm getting like that. And this Boxycharm was held up in Indiana for days. So I don't know if it was weather in Indiana or what. So of course it comes with the paper, which I will throw out, and some poppies. And right on top, because I did go through this box to see if there was anything I could start using before I did the video. And one of the reasons I got this was for the Renegade palette, but I forgot I bought one on Mercari and have been using it. So I don't know if I thought this was a different palette, but I'm not going to open it because I'm not sure what I'm going to do with this yet. If I'm going to gift it, put it in a giveaway, or post it on Mercari. So, but we did get this, and I know this is very expensive because when it first came out, I went to go buy it on the Huda website, and it was going, wasn't going for $67, which is the retail price, but it was going for like $48. And then all of a sudden now it's retailing for $67. So I don't know why they jumped it up in price. So, but I do enjoy using the one that I did purchase on Mercari, but I purchased it a while ago. So I don't know what I was thinking, if it was just a different palette. And then the next thing we got is the Aceology Rose Quartz facial massager. And I do have one of these because they've been out for a while and we got them in a couple boxes. So I will not be opening this one as well. I do use it occasionally, not like every day or anything. And it is nice, but this will probably go into a giveaway. And this retails for $45. I got the green one, and this, I guess, is the rose quartz. But let me know if any of you use this and how you like it. As I said, it's really nice, but it's not something I reach for all the time. But it's nice that they put it in a box because I know, you know, it has a high retail value. And this product I've been using. And this is the Vicky Makeup Melt, and let's see if I can find the retail value. And this retails for $24, and I've used it a couple times. You know, it took me a while to like close my eyes and spray it because, you know, it is a spray thing. And whenever I spray something on my face for the first, you know, when I first do it, it's like, so it's nice. And doesn't really have much of a smell, and it does take off your makeup. Would I purchase it again? Probably not, because we get so many in our boxes, but it is a nice product, you know, to get in a box and to use it. And then we got the Moonlit, and this is a primed for the night. So what was this one? An eyeshadow primer with a sheer natural tint and silky lightweight formula that prevents creasing. It's a new launch, but I don't understand. Get primed for the night. I guess it's, you know, for the night out. You know, when I first read it, I thought it was for like the night, you know, your nightly makeup routine. Or, you know, when you go to bed, you'd put it on so when you wake up in the morning, you don't have any wrinkles. But I guess it comes in a really pretty thing. So since I'm going to use it, I will open it. Let's see what it looks like. So this is the color. So I guess it's, you know, when you use your Huda Beauty, you put this on. It's got a very sheer color to it. Definitely like the case, but that's, I don't know if you can see it. It's kind of glowing there. See how it spreads. So yeah, so I guess when you put your eyeshadow on, it will stick. But I definitely like the packaging, so I will try it. But again, I was confused as always as to what it did. And this retails for $18. So, you know, would I buy it again? Because again, it's one of those things that we get so many in boxes that I probably would have another one lined up. So if I didn't, you know, $18, I'd probably buy again. Then we got the Christopher Robin. And this is the Instant Volumizing Leave-In Mist with Rose Water. And this uplifts your roots. And I would definitely give it a try because I'll do anything to get my hair looking good. And this is $39. Now, would I pay $39 to go get something if it did marvelous things for my hair? I might, but again, with getting subscription boxes, we get a ton of hair care. So this would have to just do great things for my hair for me to pay almost $40. So I can't wait to try it. And then there is one more thing in the box. And, oh, Badass MF. And this is matte filler lip liner. And Angel. See what this is. Not sure if I'm impressed with the name, but so it is a pretty color, and it would definitely go with the colors I'm wearing. I put on a it's called a lip primer, and it had like a darker color to it, and then I put on a lip color, and it was amazing how it really helped. And it helped, the lip primer I put on, it helped keep the lipstick on. So this is nice. So I'm liking that. So let me know what you thought of my box. Did you get the same box? Did you get different items in there? Again, I watched a lot of the Boxy Premiums, and I can't remember what the different choices were. If we all got most of the same, or if there were different options in there. And I don't know how much this box, it's probably close to $200 because the palette retails for $67, and that rose quartz thing for your face was $45, although I think this is overpriced. And the Christopher Robin hair product was $39. So I definitely got, oh, and they went up in price. So how much was this? $38, $39? Because I know the premium used to be $35, which was not a bad deal. And I always was impressed with the premium box. So I think it's like $39, close to $40 now. So I think it had nice products in there. If you just paid for like that palette alone, it was worth it. So let me know what you think. Leave comments below. And as always, you guys have an awesome day. Don't forget to leave me a thumbs up and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video.